No, I cannot hear you. I sadly cannot hear you. Ooh, start installing. This looks good. Yep. It won't. It won't let me. Because it looks like it's installing. She says, never mind. Create anywhere. Never mind, she guesses. This looks good. We're learning more. You're going to maybe cycle. Oh, installing 0.3%. So, yeah. So, this is going to take a while. No, 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 no. Sophia, thank you. Thank you for doing this with me. I'm actually making a little screencast of this, and I'm imagining some of your classmates may benefit from this little experience right here. Is that okay with you? Can you write yes or no? Oh, appreciate that. Amazing. Shoot me an email when it's installed, and I look forward to working with you this spring. Cool? Awesome. Thank you so much. I'm going to talk to you later.